Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the image and duplicating the background so you never lose original data. You want layers and levels or curves available. They give precise control. Once duplicated, inspect the histogram to locate shadow and highlight peaks and gaps. Make small exposure or white/black point adjustments now so you have room to push contrast later. This first pass prevents clipping and ensures midtones remain recoverable, which matters when you crank contrast in subsequent steps. You now refine global contrast with curves or levels, subtly shaping an S-curve to darken shadows and lift highlights. This boosts perceived contrast while preserving detail. Once done, add layer masks to limit changes. Paint with a soft brush to keep skin or branded elements natural. Make local adjustments next. Dodge to brighten key areas and burn to deepen shadows, or use a local contrast filter for texture. Make sure to toggle the edit layer on and off to compare and avoid overdoing it. Finish by sharpening selectively and checking final tonal balance. You sharpen after contrast tweaks so you don't amplify noise. Export using the proper color profile and bit depth for your destination. If you see clipped blacks or blown highlights, undo the last contrast increase and soften the curves or reduce the highlight slider. Alternatively, lower global contrast and use local dodging/burning for separation. One key troubleshooting tip. If posterization appears, switch to 16-bit or add.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.